Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting the iPhone to the Mac with a certified cable. Do that now. Once connected, unlock the phone and tap Trust when asked, then enter your passcode so the Mac can access photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in Settings if you plan to use iCloud. Otherwise, prepare to import via Finder or the Photos app. This step authorizes the transfer and decides whether you'll sync via iCloud or import manually. Pick one before moving on. Once done, open Photos on the Mac to import. Click the Import tab, review thumbnails, then select specific items or choose Import All to copy everything. If you prefer wired sync, open Finder, select your iPhone in the sidebar, choose the Photos tab and set syncing folders or albums, then click Apply or Sync to transfer. For iCloud transfers, make sure upload's finished on the iPhone and that the Mac is signed into the same Apple ID. Complete the process by verifying that images appear in your Photos library or chosen Finder folder. Look in Recently Added or Originals to confirm full resolution files. If some photos are missing, make sure iCloud Photos finished uploading on the iPhone, then toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force a resync. If the Mac does not recognize the iPhone, restart both devices, try another USB cable or a different port, and check that you tap Trust. These quick fixes solve most transfer problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.